Want to know how to add friends in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first and foremost, simply open up your Mobile Legends application. Now, once you're there, you can see friend list on the right side right here. So there are various of your friends listed here. So if you want to add new friend, you can see this icon with a plus sign in it. So simply select it. Now once you're there, right here you can just see various friends, so you can just simply follow or add friend. You can just simply enter your friends username or ID as well in order to view their search list and also add friends. You also got various options like nearby players that you can show, but for that you need to allow location. So if you want to add friends, just simply select follow right here, and once that is done, a follow request will be sent and then you will be friends if they follow back. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.